I'm Tomoko from Tomoko Shima Hair Salon. I'll show you how to style curtain bangs today. I just cut my bangs in my last video of how to cut curtain bangs. Then now I want to show you how to style. I use hairbrush and curly iron to make variety of styles.
In the first style, I will be using a hairbrush and dryer to create a natural look. First, take your bangs and comb it through. Apply Ultego Touch C-style spray to lightly hold the hair in place. Take a round brush and roll up the bangs, then hold it. Then, use a dryer to heat the brush. Take the brush out gently. This will create a nice volume for the bangs. Separate the bangs where you normally would part your hair. Then bring each section to its appropriate size. Use the round brush and roll it vertically while heating it with the dryer. Gently take off the brush with a twisting movement. Do the same on the other side. The bangs are nicely curled toward the opposite side. In the next style, I will be using a curly iron. Put the curly iron to the bangs to add volume, just like the first style. Divide the hair where you normally would part it and put the curly iron vertically. So, when you curl your hair, the hair will be curled toward your face and not away from it. Flip out the bangs and use a curly iron to roll it up vertically. Gently take the iron out. Then, if you want, you can also cut the hair close to your face to make a wavy style. Use Ultego Touch up and down spray to hold your bangs in place. Spray onto the comb and gently apply to the roots and through the ends. Also, try to add more volume to the roots.
Thank you for watching my video. Feel beautiful and see you next time.